check out my group coaching below. That's right, I'm going to coach you directly and teach you how to get that professional mix every single time on your vocals. Yo, what's up, Diamond family? It's your man Vivi, and welcome back to the VVS Academy. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Look, man, I got a really cool video for you guys today. I'm going to be showing you guys how to mix Drake vocals. I'm talking about those new Drake vocals, that new house sound that's going around. I'm going to show you guys how to mix those vocals right now. I'm not going to overtalk it. Let's jump right into it, man. We're working in our free template. If you don't have a free template for Logic or for recording into Pro Tools, definitely check out one of my free templates down below. It's going to completely change the way that you sound, completely change the way that you record, and really inspire you to make some really great music right away. And it's free. You can't beat free. It's right down below. Let's jump into the track. I'm going to play you back what we got, and then we'll start to mess with it. Let's get it.
'Cause you know I can take you away. Yeah. Girl, I'll take you away anywhere tonight. You ain't gotta stay if you change your mind. I'll take it all away. No more bad vibes. You're my bad vibes. You're my bad vibes.
Cool. The vocal already sounds good, even dry. As you see, I'm just going in and cleaning up some of the breaths and things that we don't really need that are going to keep the vocal from sounding as clean and as pure as it could. And that's a great tip. Before you even really start mixing, dig in and clean up your vocal. Take out any breaths you don't need, any clicks and pops and things like that, because they're only going to get magnified and amplified once you start adding effects like compression and echoes and delays and things like that. So let's make sure that we get those things out of the way first. Now, of course, you guys know I'm going to load up Instant Mix. Instant Mix is the best way to get a professional sound without doing any work. All right, so if you're interested in that, check it out down below. Let me go ahead and load up Instant Mix, and I'll be right back. All right, bet. So we got Instant Mix loaded in. Let's play it back and see what we got.
'Cause you know I can take you away. Yeah. Girl, I'll take you away anywhere tonight. You ain't gotta stay if you change your mind. I'll take it all away. No more bad vibes.
You can hear instantly the song just gets more full, more powerful, just overall bigger, and Instant Mix does that for you. We're really 90% of the way there for the master. Let's see how we can get the other 10-15%. All right, so we're in the VMR. I already put a de-esser on here actually when I was tracking it. I think the vocals have kind of enough saturation, so I want to go with some super clean compression. I don't think I'm going to mess with any of the tone knob on the custom opto, but maybe we will. I like the custom opto because it's a super transparent compressor. We're going to be able to get a lot of gain reduction out of this compressor without really hearing much of the work that it's doing. So let's dial that in.
'Cause you know I can take you away. Yeah. Girl, I'll take you away anywhere tonight. You ain't gotta stay if you change your mind. I'll take it all away. No more bad vibes. You're my bad vibes. You're my bad vibes. You're my bad vibes. You're my bad vibes. 'Cause you know I can take you away. Yeah. Girl, I'll take you away anywhere tonight. You ain't gotta stay if you change your mind. I'll take it all away.
Cool. I think that's a really good vocal sound. Let's jump into some EQ. You guys know I'm a fan of the SSL EQ, so let's grab that one and start to roll off some low end and really attenuate. There's some upper mid high frequencies that I want to really kind of dig out a little bit of, so let's do that.
'Cause you know I can take you away. Yeah. Girl, I'll take you away anywhere tonight. You ain't gotta stay if you change your mind. I'll take it all away. No more bad vibes. You're my bad vibes. You're my bad vibes.
If you guys notice what I did there, I just made the Q of the EQ very narrow, and I just swept through the mid frequencies until I found that frequency that was annoying me, and I just dug it out a little bit. And that's just a great way to kind of get your vocal tamed EQ wise. Just dig around, sweep through the frequencies, and found the frequency that's sticking out a little bit too much. Just bring it back a little bit, and it'll definitely help to smooth out your vocals. Let's add some high end.
'Cause you know I can take you away. Yeah. Girl, I'll take you away anywhere tonight. You ain't gotta stay if you change your mind. I'll take it all away. No more bad vibes. You're my bad vibes. You're my bad vibes.
So what I'm going to do really quick is bypass the entire VMR so you can kind of get a before and after and see what we're doing to the vocal.
Cause you know I can take you away. Yeah, girl, I'll take you away.
Now let's bring everything back in.
Cause you know I can take you away. Yeah, girl, I'll take you away. Anywhere tonight. You ain't gotta stay if you change your mind.
I'm really a big fan of that. It's like the vocal went from sitting on top of the mix to really living down inside of the mix and right inside of all the instruments and everything. It's really a big change to the way the vocal sounds, and that's what we want every time we mix a vocal. Let's go ahead and add some. I know I said I like the saturation that was here, but I want to saturate this vocal in a different way. I usually leave the black box flat, but I'm going to go low here. For some reason, there's not a lot of low end in this vocal, so I'm going to see if we can mix in a little bit. I'm going to bring my mix very low, but I think this saturation is going to give me exactly what I'm looking for.
Cause you know I can take you away.
Yeah, did you hear how much closer and more intimate the vocal got just by engaging this? I'm going to take it out and go in back and forth and let you guys hear it.
Cause you know I can take you away. Yeah, girl, I'll take you away. Anywhere tonight. You ain't gotta stay if you change your mind. I take it all away. No more bad vibes. You're my bad vibes. You're my bad vibes. You're my bad vibes.
Too much heat. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take our Vox and I'm just going to use that to kind of level out the entire vocal and add a little bit of volume. I think the vocal is just a little bit low, so I'm going to use our Vox to do that.
Cause you know I can take you away. Yeah, girl, I'll take you away. Anywhere tonight. You ain't gotta stay if you change your mind. I take it all away. No more bad vibes. You're my bad vibes.
So I'm actually going to add a little bit more volume because there's no effects. And once we start adding the delays and the echoes and the reverbs, once we bring that stuff back in, it's going to push the vocal back, push it down in the mix a little bit.
Cause you know I can take you away. Yeah, girl, I'll take you away. Anywhere tonight. You ain't gotta stay.
And this is just the reverb bus that's already set up within our free template. I brought the reverb back. Let's bring back some of the CLA effects and see how that does to really give it some ambience and some space. And I think I want to boost it just a little. So let's go up to around 25. That's pretty good. Let's copy that to the other channel. Now let's hear that.
Cause you know I can take you away. Yeah, girl, I'll take you away.
Let's echo that yeah as well. So let me do this. We'll grab that, bring it on a quarter. True. Bring it on a quarter note channel.
Yeah, girl, yeah, girl, yeah. Yeah, girl, I'll take you away. Anywhere tonight. You ain't gotta stay if you change.
And really, man, that's it. I'm telling you, it's that simple to get a really professional vocal sound, especially if you're starting with Instant Mix. These are the skills, these are the tips and the techniques you need to mix professional vocals right where you are. Really, man, it doesn't get much more simple than this, but if you need a little bit more help and you really want that direct learning, that direct feedback, check out my group coaching below. That's right. I'm going to coach you directly and teach you how to get that professional mix every single time on your vocals. You ready? Let's get to it, man. If you need anything, drop me a line down below. Remember, my name is Vivi, and I'm here for you. Stay humble, make diamonds only. Peace.
Yeah, girl, I'll take you away. Anywhere tonight. You ain't gotta stay.